Hey everybody, this is your math teacher. Today's lesson we are going to learn how to compare numbers up to 100,000. So this is the first page of you. So in the first page we have an animal. So what kind of animal is this? So what animal is this? As you see, this is a picture. So this is a crocodile that eats everything in the water, right? So now I have a special question for it. So let's see. What does the crocodile feed with? So there is a plate, but there is nothing in it. So what can you put it? What to put in it? First of all, what kind of things did they eat? So can we say child? Yes. Animal? Yes. It's the animal that's smaller than it. Then, so can we say man? Yes. Babies, man's, child's, human, man's. Then chicken, so birds and other things. So, but this is about in our real life. What about in math life? Let's see. So there are numbers. In our real life, the crocodile eats the numbers, as you see. In math, it feeds with the numbers. It follows big numbers, right? Okay, now let's do many practice. There are 7 and 2. So first of all, crocodile opens its mouth to the big number. We have 7 and 2. First of all, we know which number is the bigger, right? 7. So crocodile opens its mouth to the 7. First of all, another one, first, second, and third picture. We have third picture of this page, 3 and 9. So we have 9, right? So let's look at the crocodile mouth open its mouth to the 9. So because of that, 9 is bigger than 3. If you have two numbers that are the same, so crocodile cannot open its mouth. So as you see, there is an equal sign between them. Okay, so now let's get started. Our section is 2.3. Compare the numbers up to 100,000. So we have two notes to understand well this topic. So first note is to compare any numbers. We will use this symbol. First equal, equals or equal to. So second smaller than or less than. Next one greater than, more than, and bigger than at the same meaning. After that we use this symbol to compare the numbers. Then note 2. We will start with the digits in the biggest place. For example, if you have ones, tens, or seconds, if you have the number that it has ones, tens, hundreds digits, so hundreds digit is the biggest place. And if there are the same numbers, we will move to the next digit. Okay, let's see an example about that. First, which number is greatest? Which number is greater, 984 or 856? Everyone knows this kind of question, how to solve it, but I will remind you how to solve it. First, we have a rule. Okay, let's look at the note 2. We will start with the digits in the biggest place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds. So hundreds place we have 9 and 8. Which one is the bigger? 9. So because of that, 984 is bigger than 856. Let's look at the answer. So at the same thing. Next question, next example is coming now. Which one is smaller? Smaller means less than. 3,857 or 3,426. First of all, you will start from the biggest place. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, let's look at the hundreds digits. 3 and 3 are the same. So what should we do? We will move to the next digit to compare 8 and 4. Which one is smaller? 4 is smaller than 8. Because of that, we can say that 3,426 is smaller than 3,857, as you see. Okay, now let's look at the next page. So now it's time to practice about comparing numbers. Okay, first of all, we are going to start from the first question. Put bigger than, smaller than, or equal to sign in the boxes below. First of all, 876 or 786. First, I will start to compare from the biggest place. 7 and 8. Which one is the bigger? 8. So crocodile mouth opens its mouth to the big number. So next one, 1654, 1654, they are the same. So what should I do? I need to put here equal sign. Then 23,654, 23,700. Look at, there is a difference. There is a different number here in hundreds, please. 6 and 7. So 7 is bigger than 6 because of that. 23,000. So crocodile opens its mouth to the 7. So next one, it's very easy to compare the numbers. So I will start from the biggest digit. First this one, 1 and 3. Which one is the smaller or bigger? What you put it? So I need to put 1 is smaller than 3 because of that. Crocodile opens its mouth to the 321,786. Next question. Let's put tick or cross. If it's correct, you put tick, or if it's incorrect, you put cross. Next one, 213,000 is bigger than 313,000. Is correct? No, because 2 is smaller than 3. Then 213,000 blah blah blah, 313,000 blah blah blah. I said first 200. We know that 200 is smaller than 300, so but its writing is bigger than, it's cross. Next one, 9. Okay, first let's compare the digits. 90,453, 90,453. They are equal, it's correct. Next one, 89,000. Okay, 8 and 8 are they are equal. Next one, 9 and 7. So 9 is bigger than 7 because of that, this is correct. Next one, 1, 1. Okay, first I will look at how many digits you have in this kind of number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's compare from the biggest place. 1, 1 equal, 0, 0 equal, 0, 1. So 1 is bigger than 0 because of that. 10,101 is bigger than 10,001. So I put tick. So, but here must be, okay, so I made a mistake here. So I put bigger than, so also it's bigger, so I put tick. Next one, 555,760, 555,670. There is a difference between 6 and 7, so 7 is bigger than, but is writing smaller than, it must be cross. Okay, now let's see next page. Write the numbers below. 200,000 less than 231,645. Okay, now let's look at another one. 1,000 more than 231,645. So 500 more than 231,645. Last 10,000 more than 231,645. So in this question, in this kind of question, there is writing important things. So what's writing? Less than, more than, more than, more than. So what was the more than means? When I teach you addition from the chapter 1, I said you more than shows you plus. So it means plus, plus, and less than means minus. So 200,000. How can I show you? 200,000. I am writing it. 200, this 200. Okay, how can I continue by 1,000? I put comma, then I write 3-digit number, 200,000. So first I have a number 231,645. I am writing here 231,645. Then let's subtract them. 5 minus 0, 5, 4, 6, comma, 1, 3, 1. So your answer is 131,645. Then another question, 1,000 more than 231,645. Okay, let's solve here. Let's solve here, but this addition must be 231,645 and then 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So 5, 4, 6, comma, 2, 3, 2. So what's your answer? 232,645. Okay, another C and D, they are the same kind of question because it's not necessary to solve. So, but we have another kinds of question. Write the greatest 5-digit number. 5-digit number by using the digits. First of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit numbers we have. They want from us to write 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 3 digits, so this line shows you each digit. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, you put comma. So which number can come from the first? So what kind of 5-digit? Greatest 5-digit number. So first of all, I have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, I need to start from the 5, right? Yeah, 5 is bigger than, because of that your number is getting bigger and bigger. 5, then 3, I am writing here, then 2, then 1, then lastly 0. Your answer must be 53,210. Okay, let's write this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, now let's write the answer. First, which one is the bigger one? Biggest also 7, 5, then 4, then 2, then 1. So 75,425. Okay, now another kinds of question. Write the smallest 5-digit number by using the digits. So you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number, comma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit numbers, and you put comma after 3 digits. Okay, now let's write which number comes. Which number is the smallest one? So 2 or 3. Of course 2 is the smallest number. Then write which number is bigger than 2, 3. I am cleaning when I write your number on the right side. Then I am writing here 4. Then I am writing here 5. Then I am writing here 9. So your answer 23,459. Okay, now let's write another one. So what is the smallest number in this order? 1, 4, 0, 2, 7. So 0 is the smallest, but I cannot write here 0. If I write 0, I made a mistake. I make a mistake. So now look at this one. If I write 0, I make just 4-digit number, but I need 1. So I will write the smallest number except 0. So first 1. Okay, I used 1 down. Now what is the smallest number? 0, then 2, then 4, then 7. So your answer must be 10,247. Okay, now let's look at another one. Write the greatest 6-digit number by using. So also we can say that we have solved same kind of question from the previous page. Also we solved another another kinds of question. So we have another. Which one is the expanded form of 600,205? So first of all 600. Let's look at A. 600,000 expanded form. Expanded form. Which one is the expanded form of? What was the expanded form? Expanded form means you write your number part by part by your digits. So you have 6, you have 2, you have 5. Just 3 things you added. 6, because other doesn't affect the number when you multiply, because there is 0, 0, 0. First 6. 6 times 100. 6 is in which digit? 100,000. 6 times 100,000. 600,000 must be. So it's not 600,000. I can clean it. So it's not 600,000. So it's not 600,000. So just I have A and C. Then you have 2. 2 is in the hundreds digit. 200. 200s must be. So it's not 1,000. So your answer must be C. Okay, now let's take a look at the next page. So this was the last page of you. So see you next lesson. Next lesson is about 2.4 order numbers up to 100,000.